All right, guys, welcome back to The Country Called Us. Today is a very big day. We got us a new propane stove for our homestead journey. We're going to do an unboxing, set it up, and light it up just to show you what it looks like. We'll get right to that. All right, let's see what we got in here. There's one box. There's up there. Cardboard we don't need. Dog would chew that up. Can you get that? You want me to get it? Oh, there's another box.
Grab that box.
That's the top. What else we got in there? Oh, that's the hose. All right, got us a hose. We'll just box first. These are the side flaps.
These are probably the legs.
Yeah. Cut myself on camera here, guys. Yeah, that's my luck. I'd be the type to leave it on there and show everybody.
Right?
We don't like to cut too much. Like to leave our videos as authentic as possible. Of course, you're gonna give me a hard time because everybody's watching. There we go. There you go. Do that one. I'll get this going. Some more cardboard. We'll clean that up here later. Oh, she ain't gonna let me get away with that. There's the nuts and bolts. I knew I was gonna need a screwdriver.
Well, we don't.
Yeah. Here's the side tables, you'll see. Once we put it together, they go on the side like this. There's two of them. Here I am setting them up already. Another one. And then once you get the legs. All right. All right. There's the legs. I'll hold it up. You screw her in. Tighten it down. It's got little hook bolts on it there. You tighten the legs in on. They're already twisted in, so you just got to twist them down. That's nice. Oh, I'm the garbage man. Oh. My knobs are over here. Even coming in a little baggy. That's pretty nice. So they're on there good. They turn pretty nice. Got an electric igniter on it. It's got an igniter on it, but I don't see where it would be electric. You know what I mean?
Right?
I'll get the propane tank. That's an empty one. That's a regulator.
Does that
Flow.
piece come off?
No, it's a flow regulator.
Oh.
Always, always open your propane tanks slow. There we go. Getting gas. Oh yeah. I don't know what that does. There's no way to. It's connected. Oh, I gotta put batteries in it. I think there's a battery thing for underneath there.
Okay, then we
I
won't.
ain't worried about the electric igniter. But yeah, guys, it's kind of windy out here right now, so give me a minute. Oh, we got these legs, these sides to put on. We'll just show them what it looks like. So I'm not bolting it all together just yet, because we don't need it just yet. It comes with screws and bolts. But that's what it'll look like when you
Oh,
put
it
them on.
goes here. No, it doesn't. It goes here.
It goes on the outside like this.
Yeah.
I think it sits down in there. In little.
Yeah.
Then they'll have the two sides on it, like so. We're gonna buy the wind guards, but we didn't get those ones.
Yeah, we didn't get that one.
No. So that's that pretty much.
I mean, it's flowing. I mean, you got the propane. You can hear it flowing.
Here, let me get the way here. We paid, I think 78 or $79 for it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Again, for cooking, whatever you need, it's a. Let me get a piece of this cardboard and light it. That's heavy.
That thing's like flowing like.
Yeah, it comes out there pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Pull that up. Yeah, it was pretty nice for $80. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Again, it's pretty windy out here right now. Of course, the wind's going to
Yeah, I
start
was
blowing.
gonna say you might as well not even try. It's not gonna stay lit.
It will once I get it started. Wind's blowing pretty hard right now. I have a stick lighter somewhere. Can't find it. I think Jackson stole it for his fireworks.
And there it goes out.
There goes the wind.
Right.
All right, guys. I'm just let it go at that. It works. Again, this is something that we're going to use for cooking at first until we build our cabin. It's pretty nice for $80. I seen a bunch of them that were 150, $200, and were only single burner. Or even at Walmart, we looked at the tabletop grills. They were 80, 90, $100. Except for the butane. I don't want butane. You get a little can, it burns up in one cook. I wanted something that, we want to make boil some water or make a nice slow dinner, something that takes a while. You got one burner here, one burner there. Nice size burners too. I mean, got Vanna White over here. She's gonna show you. Show in front of it here. These knobs, and it's got an electric starter on it. I think you can put batteries in it. I didn't realize that. I've never come prepared. Look for my stick later, but I think Jackson stole with the fireworks I gave him. Like I said, comes with the legs. Yeah. All we do is hook a propane tank to it, and easy to put together. Took us less than 2 minutes. I thought it was going to have some complication to it. only thing you needed tools for was the screws for the side tables. But again, we're not going to put it all together with the screws and bolts and everything on the side tables because we're still packing up. This is just our prep. Uh, Again, in late May, end of May, when school lets out, we'll be on our way. Can't wait. You guys are gonna have to come with us and see how long this journey is, because it's gonna be a wild ride. We got a lot of things planned. We got a lot of ideas. Trish and her garden, and Jackson and his dogs, and you know, cows, and eventually, this is all not. Again, you have to take your time. Homesteading is one thing at a time, one little bit at a time. Um, nothing moves fast homesteading, except all the work.
Right.
But all right, guys, again, if you hit that like and subscribe button, come back for our next video. Every Thursday we have a live. Tonight is actually Thursday, so we'll be doing our live here right after this. But like and subscribe, come follow us, come watch the lives. We'll have We have a couple more things we bought that we're doing videos on here coming up in the next couple of days, next week or so. I'll keep an eye out for those. Again, where the country called us, and we won't say from now on. We're not going to say like Jackson says. We're just going to say peace out and have a good day. Have a nice day. I always say good day. My fault. It's peace out and have a nice day. Jackson kicked my butt. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.